1. Open the app and connect to the corresponding hotspot of the device. 2. Open KAWA Auto and confirm that the device is connected. If it is not connected, add it again. 3. Go to Me My Devices, select Device Version Number Location Update. Click OK to upgrade. 4. Wait for firmware download to complete. 5. Received upgrade package push notification. Confirm push will pause recording. 6. Wait for the push progress to complete. Do not exit the page. 7. After successful push, the recorder will upgrade automatically. Power off is prohibited. 8. If the push fails, click Repush to redo the operation.